Every single one of these thread tails needs to be buried. On a complex quilt, we're talking hundreds. This is the part of finishing that can make you question every decision that led to this moment. We have a solution. If you've tried easy thread needles before and given up, we know exactly what happened. Side threading needles snag fabric, grab batting, and occasionally get so stuck inside your quilt layers that you consider leaving them there permanently. We're speaking from experience. Jason found these top-loading John James Easy Thread needles, and we drove down the hill to our local fabric store the same day. Here's the difference. Side threading needles have an open slot that catches on fibers as you pull through fabric. Top-loading needles have an enclosed channel at the top, nothing exposed, nothing to snag. The needle moves cleanly through your layers every single time. Here's how to bury a thread tail. Press the tail into the top-loading channel. That's it, it's threaded. Insert the needle at the point where the tail exits the fabric. Run it between the layers, not through to the back. Pull it through and trim close to the surface. The tail disappears completely. No knot, no bump, no evidence it was ever there. Let's discuss thread chicken. You know what this is. You absolutely believe with your whole heart that you can get 3 more stitches out of that thread if you just believe hard enough. Wishcraft is lovely, but when thread chicken wins and you're left with a tail that's practically a suggestion, the top-loading channel is your secret weapon. Almost nothing required. Press it in, bury it, done. Tinkerbell would approve. And when thread breaks mid-project, because sometimes it just does, partially insert the needle at the break point, press the short tail into the channel, pull it through. Crisis averted, no drama. One more thing. Threading needles when your eyes are tired, the light is low, or your bifocals are having opinions, the top-loading channel requires 0 precision. Press, load, go. Your eyes will thank you. We went from nearly leaving a needle stuck inside a quilt forever to actually enjoying the tail burying process. That's not a small thing, it's a significant thing. John James top-loading easy thread needles, the only ones in our studio now. Find John James Easy Thread needles at colonialneedle.com.